So basically the thing we're doing is we're taking 3 photos on black and white film with these filters. There's one green one red one, and one blue one. And then we're gonna combine them all together to make a color photo. I saw this dude do it at a concert, and like the guy was like kinda lined up, but not. I thought it looked really cool. So I was thinking about how it would look skating. I wanted to take the photos on fisheye, but there's no filters that fit my fisheye, so I'm taping this onto it. This is fucked, actually. And the filters don't cover like the whole lens. It has like a crazy vignette. Yeah, there we go. We just need to make sure we can focus still, which I don't think we currently can. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're good.
I did stop gaming for this, so. I love League of Legends. I love Divinity 2, Original Sin. Been playing that. Maybe I'll get Leo footage of that. Yo, I'm dirty. That's a 3K. That's a 3K. Oh, clean! Just jerking your balls off. This dude is sick. Fracty K flip. I can land one, I think. Wow, cut this, please, for the love of God. Cut this, serious. Oh, that's what it's about, baby. Tired already. Phone call. Hello? Hey, what's up? Oh, I didn't know it was fine. I thought they just wanted to talk about stuff, but I'll be home. I have to go give Hannah's sibling a haircut.
Shave his head?
Yeah.
Sick.
Or something. Fade him up.
You're gonna kill me.
I should give him your haircut.
You should.
I'm worried about how good of a photo I can get because I have to be on a tripod.
Yo, look, watch, I'll go like this. This is what skating is, it's all fake. Leo's gonna get this photo. Good? Okay.
I'm ready.
See how it goes. X-Men. Woo.
My flashes didn't go off.
They didn't go, yeah.
My camera wasn't on.
Oh, that one was pretty good.
All right, take that one off.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Sorry.
Damn, green's the last one, except this one's got like a filter fucking stuck on it. Look at that. Oh wait, it's fine. No, it's not. I can't get this off. You guys, Cal, you gotta try to get this off for me.
Oh my God, it was light for a motherfucker.
What the hell? How did you do that?
Dude, I have a girlfriend of 7 years. You think I haven't opened things?
True, that's real.
Last one.
All right, let's do it. Let's rock. My trap queen.
Might be kind of cool.
I think it'll be sick.
Would you be down to try a front 5.0 too?
Yeah, of course. Imagine I'm in 5.0 right now.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be really dumb. I love it.
Oh, that was sick. That felt good.
All right. No real skate photo would ever get taken like this. You know what I mean? I think we're good.
Sick. Yeah, cut that shit.
After shooting some more photos and finishing off the roll, I developed and scanned them. This is how the photos turned out. By themselves, I don't think these photos are very good at all. Especially with that weird vignette I created by using the filters in the way I did. It looks like one of those 180 degree fisheyes, but it doesn't have the 180 degree like super wide effect. Anyways, after putting them all together in Photoshop, these are the final photos. It's kinda cool. I like how the front 5.0 one kinda looks like a sequence of him going down into the 5.0. After taking this photo, it just made me want to go make a sequence.
Ugh. No wires, dog.
Why not?
Yeah, Leo asked me to help. So, what am I even talking about? Here's my artist's rendition of what the photo should look like. This is what we're going for today. Poor woman's getting followed by a Tesla.
I thought of the same like image in my head. It's kind of crazy how we kind of thought of the same image and like without even talking about it. Cause that was my plan when we were coming here, and you just drew that.
Great minds think alike, you know? No, that's stupid. Thanks, dude. It's hot as fuck out here, but still having fun. Oh, shit. All right, should we do it?
Yeah, let's do it. I just gotta...
Cargo pants. Yeah. Oh my God.
Calling out from Scotland. Calling out from Scotland's world. If you
That was awesome. Glad I landed it.
Yeah, dude.
It's hard when you have like two more tries.
We tried to do this with like the double flash thing,
Oh yeah.
and it just was not working.
I was so stoked for all the pictures, and then they came out and there was like 8 pictures. None of them worked.
So after developing and scanning again, these are the photos I ended up with. And after throwing them all into Photoshop, this is how it turned out. It's got almost everything I was going for. I just wish you could see James a little bit better. But when I showed this to one of my friends, he asked me if I could just edit it to make James clear, which I can, and I did. I even did it in black and white too. That is not what I'm trying to do. Photoshop is the most common and easiest way to put together single photo sequences. You can see it in magazines like Thrasher and all over the internet. I've even done it on a couple of occasions. But after seeing in-camera sequences taken by Spike Jonze, Dave Swift, and many others, it's hard to appreciate these photoshopped images in the same way, especially after seeing something like this.
bet you loved that, didn't you?
After seeing the artistry, precision, and hard work put in by people like Wick Warland to create these images, the last thing I want to do is just throw something together in Photoshop. So the only solution is to just try again. We ended up not filming the final attempt because it was too dark, but here's how the photos turned out. I really like these photos. We went at night and used flash so the photos wouldn't be fighting so much when combined. This is finally what I was going for. I wanted to print this one in the darkroom to have no Photoshop involved in the making of it. Only problem is this is my darkroom experience. But after seeing a video about Tricolor darkroom printing and this Reddit post about Trichrome darkroom printing, I thought I could pull it off. How I attempted to do this was I got 3 separate film holders with each of my negatives in them. After projecting the image, I drew a guide to line them up the best I could. From there, I just printed them one by one, switching out each negative and each filter. And it didn't work. I had no idea why, but after asking a few friends and receiving some advice from the employees at Essential Photo Supply, I decided to give it one more try, and I was still struggling until the last 15 minutes of my darkroom session when I finally got something. And while this print is still bad, especially compared to the Photoshop version, I was still happy to get something at all, especially after trying over and over again. The whole experience honestly made me appreciate Photoshop a lot more. If you want to try out Trichrome photography yourself, I highly suggest checking out Addict Darkroom's video on the subject.